Hello friends, welcome to Support Grow. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trade on Binomo by time frame like 2 minutes. How you can trade by using 2 minutes time frame and book profit. So let's see how we can do that. Here you can see there is a time frame, right? So here you can see this is first minute, 1 minute and 2 minutes. So I'm going to show you based on this 2 minutes. So let's select this 2 minutes. So I'm going to select this 2 minutes time frame. Okay, and then it's going up. So let's see. Yeah, it's going down. Then let's buy it. I have booked a bid here, predicted here like up. If this graph will go up from this point within 2 minutes, then I will win the bid. If this goes down within 2 minutes time frame, then I lose the bid. So let's see and wait. So from this point you can select like time frame. So this one for 1 minute, and second this one for second minute 2 minutes, and this one for 3 minutes, and this one for 4 minutes, and this one for 5 minutes. So I'll make video for all these time frames, and you can see which one works best for you. So I'm making this video on this 2 minutes time frame. I have already made videos on 1 minute time frame, so you can also watch my 1 minute time frame video. So let's see, I have applied based on 2 minutes facts, and here still our graph is up from this point, and if it remains up from this point, then we will win the game, and the winning amount will be credited in my accounts. So let's see, we have only 9 seconds left, and let's see what is going to be happen here within 2 seconds. Oh, I lose the games for only 2 to 3 seconds. So this way you can apply 2 minute time frame and win and book profit. So thanks for watching.